हांव एंथनी डिसिलो फ्रॉम असोलना आंबेली. आयज सकाळ उठल तेदोना हांवें एक न्यूज चोयलो that India has responded to the killings of a civilian, honest civilian, and many of them who has lost their husbands, and culturally it is called the Sindoor. And aptly this operation, which has been conducted by Indian Navy, Air Force and Infantry, the military, is aptly named as Operation Sindoor. First of all, I also believe in forgiveness, which as per the Bible we say it is 7 into 70 times. But I also find a line under this that 7 into 70 times is a number. It's a definite number. How long can such atrocities be accepted in the name of forgiveness? And he rightly, without reacting but by responding to the terrorist attack on our Indian civilians by our Indian military under the leadership of President of India, Madam Murmuji, and the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi ji. And thanks and Dev Barakoru to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition at the center. I salute you all, and we are proud of you that such a meticulous, fine-tuned, engineered, precision response has been given to the enemies who think that India can take it lying down for long. It has been very made clear that we also mean business when it comes to the lives of every Indian. By not only responding to the damage that was done, but a response which is multiple times in terms of geographical setup, economical setup, without reacting and taking another few innocent lives on the other side. The engineering in which this attack has been done, a very precision, without attacking the military base, without attacking the civilians, by only targeting and zeroing down to even up to 5 meters radius. This attack is definitely in a very calculated response to the terrorists of the other side. Although the enemies of us tried to target civilians in India, but we as Indians, our leaderships in India, differed in that thought process and did not respond in that inhuman manner, but responded to the terrorist sites. As of today, the latest inputs that we have got, they have targeted around 9 targets so far.